race number 9. Racing just is started. We have carryover, Pretty Bull, Panamera in the middle, and on the outside comes Douglas Pride, his Spanish drums, Storm Racing second last, while his Specially Discreet is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pretty Bull by about 2 lengths, his Spanish drums in second, and on the outside third comes Panamera. Carryover is racing in fourth, 8 lengths further back in fifth comes Douglas Pride, Storm, and Especially Discreet is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Pretty Bull maintaining a 4 lengths lead, his Spanish drums in second, Panamera remains in third, Carryover is racing in fourth, 8 lengths further back in fifth now is Especially Discreet, Storm, while Douglas Pride now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Pretty Bull by about 3 lengths, Panamera in second, is Spanish drums moving up now on the outside. Carryover is Especially Discreet as they swing for home. We have Pretty Bull by about 3 lengths, Panamera in second with about 100 meters of the race. Pretty Bull, Panamera on the outside, Pretty Bull, Panamera, and finally it's Pretty Bull, Panamera, Especially Discreet, Spanish drums, and Carryover.
Alright, 2-3-6-1, datingan natin. So it was Pretty Bull then ang unang tumid ng finish line with CJ Reyes